Hello everyone, welcome to Arc Astro Science, and today in this video I will be discussing the transit of Jupiter in the direct motion in the sign of Capricorn. On 18th of October 2021, Jupiter turned direct. From last few months Jupiter was in the retrograde motion, and last month itself it has entered the sign of Capricorn in its retrograde motion, but now it has turned direct. Jupiter is our Devguru Brihaspati, and Devguru Brihaspati is the epitome of Dharma. So the planet of Dharma, that is Jupiter, has turned direct now. Although it is debilitated still now in the sign of Capricorn, but it is in conjunction with Saturn, the Lord of Capricorn. Okay, and the most important part over here is that Saturn was also in the retrograde motion from past few months, and on 11th of October 2021 Saturn has also turned direct. And the most important part over here is that Saturn is the dispositor of Jupiter. Now when Jupiter turned direct, Saturn was already in the direct motion. So now the significance related to the signs Sagittarius and Pisces, wheresoever they fall in your chart, slowly and gradually you will feel that those significance of the houses are proceeding, are going towards proper growth and progress. Yes, definitely Capricorn is the sign of hard work. Capricorn is the sign of discipline, perseverance, patience and commitment. So your luck and fortune will support you only if you follow the tough routine, committed hard work and proper discipline. Then only you will feel that yes, my progress is seen towards some completion or proper growth is been seen in your life. From last few months, anything related to the significance of the sign Pisces or Sagittarius, whatsoever it was, there was many turbulence, there was many ups and downs related to those particular two houses. Now suppose if there were suppose Sagittarius was your 4th house, so any problem related to your homely matters, or suppose Pisces was your 7th house, so anything related to your marital matters or business partnerships, so you can check in that way. So any problem related to those houses which you were facing from last few months, now it will come to a proper track. Although the hard work will be needed, but now Jupiter is saying that now I have turned direct. So slowly and gradually you will also find that yes, the light at the end of the tunnel. You will find that yes, my hard work is not going in vain. And here one thing I will say you, that from last few months you have been doing so many things, you have been trying so many things, you have been means applying so many ideas, means all of us through the mankind we have been doing this. So now I will say you that since 1 month is left when Jupiter will enter the sign of Aquarius again in the direct motion, and it will leave the sign of Capricorn on 21st of November. So 1 month is left, roughly 1 month is left. So keep doing your hard work, keep doing the proper things in a proper manner, in a competent manner, in a that proper disciplined way. Don't leave it now, don't leave it now that feeling that I have done too much but I am not getting the result. Now Jupiter will say you that you did it and now I am going to give you the result, although the result will come a bit late, but it will definitely come, because now it has got direct in its motion. So don't go for any kind of shortcuts. You are trying it in a very hard way, keep on doing it. This is the time that if you leave it now, then you will feel that I left it at the important point. This is not the time to leave it. In fact, this is the time to catch the rope in a more hard way, in a more tight way, so that you can get the results. When it will come, you will feel that yes, I waited for it and I got the result in a much more sweeter way. And the most important part over here is that since this transition of Jupiter and Saturn both had been happening in this sign of Capricorn, and recently few months back Jupiter also entered the sign of Aquarius in its direct motion, again it came back. So it had been there from last few months, and last year also when Jupiter and Saturn both entered the sign of Capricorn, so it had been going from last 2 years. So it had been impacting our personal horoscopes, our personal charts. Now we can be going through any Mahadasa, we can be going through any Antardasa, we can be having any kind of Ashtakvarga scores in the sign of Capricorn or in the sign of Sagittarius, Pisces, or Aquarius. Okay, so it is going to impact us in one way or the other. Now suppose if you are having a very heavy placements, heavy placement means your ascendant, sun sign, moon sign, or multiple planet posited in the sign of Capricorn or Aquarius, or suppose Sagittarius or Pisces, then this transit of Jupiter will impact you. Because since Saturn and Jupiter both are in conjunction with each other, so these signs of Sagittarius, Pisces, Aquarius and Capricorn, they are getting more impacted. So it can be any house in your horoscope. You will feel the energy, you will feel that yes, certain things which were not happening, which were stuck, now it is going the progress has started. The direct motion of Jupiter also says that the wisdom which you wanted to put in your work, which you were feeling that should I use it, yes or no, or should I get the proper result by doing this or not, now you will feel that yes, you are going to get the result, but yes, some kind of hard work is still needed, but you will feel that yes, the results are coming on your way. So since everyone's horoscope and chart are different, so results will be varying for different people. I will try to put up the general predictions which we can understand by this transit of Jupiter in the sign of Capricorn in the direct motion with conjunction with Saturn for the different ascendants. You can also check it from your moon sign also, and since it will bring different kind of results for all of us, because all of the charts and horoscopes are different. So anytime if you want and one-on-one consultation with me, then you can check the links in the description section, you can check the email ID, you can directly email to me if you want consultation during this time, that how it is going to impact you personally through your horoscope, through your any kind of your any aspect of your life, then you can surely check the links in the description section. And as usual, if you are new to this channel, click onto the notification bell icon, tap onto the subscribe button, so that every time I make a new video you get notified instantly. Your comments are always welcome to me. Write down your queries, write down your opinions, so that I can come to know about you, I can get inspired by your beautiful words. And another thing, many a times I get a question that what to see, the ascendant sign or the moon sign. Definitely you will check from the ascendant sign first, because that is the result which is going to get impacted in front of you, the physical manifestation of the result. Check it from your ascendant sign, that is the Lagna sign, okay, the first house. Then check it from your moon sign, because that is the result which you will feel, means emotionally how it is impacting you. So check from the ascendant first, then from the moon sign, so that will be enough for you, because that will give you a rough idea that what is going to happen in front of you in this particular time when Jupiter is transiting in the direct motion in the sign of Capricorn. Because on 21st of November Jupiter will enter the sign of Aquarius and it will leave the sign of debilitation. So that time the results will be far more better, because it is leaving behind the sign of Capricorn, and just after Aquarius is the sign of Pisces. So Jupiter will be very happy in order to come in front of the sign of Aquarius. It will be very happy to enter the sign of Aquarius. So this 1 month, keep doing the hard work, get ready for the results, and don't forget that your commitment, your discipline will not go in vain, because ultimately Saturn is also transiting through the sign of Capricorn. So your hard work will pay you back. So on this note, come let us start the general predictions which we can actually understand that how the direct motion of Jupiter in the sign of Capricorn can bring for all of us. Come let us start. For the Aries ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting in the 10th house of your horoscope in the direct motion. So it will bring some progress in your career, in your profession, and overall growth will be seen at your work arena. But since it is debilitated in the sign of Capricorn. So repeated hard work will also be needed in order to learn new things to solve the problems of your professional stuff. It is also your ninth lord getting debilitated in the 10th house, so you will feel that you need to work more hard in order to get help from your luck and fortune. Jupiter is also your 12th lord. So, suppose if you are working with any multinational company, or suppose if you are attached with a company which is based far away, or even suppose if you are far away from your home working for a company, then initially you may face some kind of difficulties or some kind of challenging situations, but with your constant discipline, commitment, and hard work, you will get good results with respect to your work, with respect to your profession. Jupiter will be aspecting your fourth house of happiness, which will bring good results for your home, for your homely matters. Jupiter will be aspecting your second house of family and wealth, which will definitely help you add up your wealth to make sure that you are taking proper investment decisions. And regarding your family matters, also, it will help you a lot to have a proper bonding with your family. Jupiter will be aspecting your sixth house. It will give you insights to make proper hard work, to make proper decisions regarding your debts, to make sure that how to win over your opponents. So, regarding the sixth house also, it will give you good results because the aspect of Jupiter will be definitely be working very good for you. So, that's it for the Aries ascendant people. For the Taurus ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting in the ninth house of luck and fortune. Here, Jupiter is getting direct. So, if you are a student, or if you are pursuing some higher knowledge, or if you are going for some higher degree or something like that, then this will give you a very good result in terms of gaining some knowledge. Your relationship with your father, with your guru, with your elders will improve. But yes, definitely, since it is in the sign of Capricorn, still debilitated, so hard work will be needed in order to gain some knowledge, also in order to establish a good relationship with your elders and guru. You need to follow the ideas and the path laid down by your elders, by your father or by your guru, so that it can give you more better results in the coming days to come in your life. Ninth house is also the house of luck and fortune, so you will feel that I need to make more hard work in order to get the gains, and in order to make fulfillment of my wishes, because Jupiter is your 11th lord also. So initially you may feel that my luck and fortune is not supporting me to get the gains in my life, but now since it is getting direct, so slowly and gradually you will get the insights, you will get the proper wisdom only through your hard work, that yes, these are the things which I need to work upon, and that will give you more better results. Jupiter is your 8th lord coming into the 9th house and getting debilitated. So any kind of marital matters, you need to be very righteous, you need to be very particular that whether you are following the lawful way or not, the legal manner or not. Okay, you need to be very careful regarding that, those things. Since ninth house is also the house of dharma and righteousness, so overall in your life you need to follow proper righteous mode of life. You should always follow the path of dharma. That is what this transit of Jupiter is trying to teach you. Jupiter will be aspecting the first house, so definitely it will bring proper personality in in you, in front of the whole world. It will improve your personality, it will improve your character, it will also take care of your health. Jupiter will be aspecting your third house along with Saturn, so it will definitely help you to take up the hobbies, to follow the hobbies or follow the new activities which you actually wanted to start with proper discipline and commitment, which is actually a good thing for you. Since Jupiter and Saturn both are getting direct, so here wisdom, discipline and commitment, if you work through it, it will definitely give you very good results regarding your personality and hobbies and any kind of actions which you want to take. Jupiter will also aspect your fifth house of progeny and children, your education, your intellect. So you need to be very much disciplined regarding your progeny, your children, and it will actually help you. If you become very disciplined, then it will actually help you regarding those aspects of your life. If you are a student, then this Jupiter will help you to study and grab the knowledge, to have new set of intelligence, new set of skills in your life. So that's it for the Taurus people. For the Gemini people, Jupiter will be transiting in your 8th house, and here it is getting direct. So, the most important part here is that you need to take care of your health, because now this Jupiter and Saturn both are direct, and Saturn is also your 8th lord itself. So, this both Saturn and Jupiter will give you a new sets of wisdom and new sets of insights to how to take care of your health, how to become much more fit, healthier than before. Any kind of health problems which you were suffering before, now you will find that yes, these are the things, if we do, then that can give me more relief in the coming days to come regarding my health. Another thing is that your relationship with your in-laws, your relationship with your spouse in terms of your marriage will be much more better now, will be much more you will feel that I am getting much more free to interact with them. That will be there. But yes, definitely Jupiter is debilitated over here, so don't hurry regarding any kind of decision regarding your marriage, regarding your trade and business and partnerships, because Jupiter is your 7th lord also. Don't hurry regarding those things. Give some time, take some time, be patient, okay, because those are the aspects of your life. If you take any kind of decision hurriedly, then that can bring opposite results also, because after all it is transiting through the 8th house. 8th house is the house of sudden, means it is the house of suddenness, it is the house of ups and downs. So be very patient, try to take your decisions very cautiously, okay, don't be very impatient. This is the only big mantra which I will give you at present. Jupiter is also your 10th lord, coming into the 8th house, getting debilitated. Okay, the best thing is that it is direct now. So, there were many kinds of ups and downs in your life regarding your career and professor in the past few months, but now it is on the way to come out of its debilitation within a month. Means next month it will come out of its debilitation, and it will entered the 9th house of dharma, luck and fortune. So just keep doing your hard work, be very calm and composed, do not overdo anything, just follow the righteous path in your life, because 8th house is also 12th from 9th house, so you need to be in your righteous path. Whatever happens, you should not follow the path of shortcut. There is no shortcut in the path of success. You can get success through shortcut one or twice, but not every time. So here 8th house transit of Jupiter is saying you that there will be ups and downs in your life, maybe in married life, maybe in your profession, but you need to be very calm and composed. You need to understand that yes, these times will not be permanent. These times will go on, and it will give you some bright sunlight in your life in the coming days to come, but that time it is up to your karma, that what type of karma you did that time, okay, because when the good days will come, that your karma will be fructified into that results, and that results will be obtained by you. So be in the correct path, and definitely it will give you good results when it comes out of debilitation in the month of November and it enters the sign of Aquarius. Okay. Jupiter will be aspecting your second house of wealth, your family, your speech. So here this Jupiter will help you take proper decisions regarding your wealth, regarding your family values. Okay, it will help you to make a good bond with your family. Jupiter will be aspecting your fourth house of happiness. So definitely it will improve your family happiness, maybe slowly and gradually with discipline and commitment, but definitely it is going to do that. Jupiter is transiting through the eighth house of occult. So that means if you are into spirituality, if you are thinking to take the spiritual way of life, then this is also going to be a very good result, give you very good results, because this Jupiter will also be aspecting the 12th house of spirituality. Okay, so this spiritual way of life or learning new things, occult knowledge, secret knowledge, so that can be a very good time to go through these knowledges. Or suppose if you are a research student, you are into some kind of research work, then this combination of Jupiter and Saturn through your eighth house, because Saturn is also your eighth lord itself, it will give you really very good results in terms of the planetary transit, because both Saturn and Jupiter are now direct in their motion. So that's it for the Gemini ascendant people. For the Cancer ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting in your seventh house in the direct motion. From the last few months, there had been so many things with respect to your marriage, your marital matters, spouse, health of the spouse. Okay, but this time, this Jupiter and Saturn, which both are actually transiting through the seventh house in the sign of Capricorn, but in the direct motion now, both of them. So here this Jupiter will bring a good results in order to stabilize a harmony between you and your spouse with respect to your marriage. Any kind of decisions or marital matters will be taken care of now. But yes, definitely you need to have lots and lots of commitment towards your spouse, towards your married life. If you are into any kind of business, any kind of trading, then your commitment and hard work towards your business should be very much taken care of, because you should be very much committed and hardworking regarding your work and trading also. No shortcut will be entertained, because ultimately you need to get success in your life. So if you want to get that success, be it in your marital matters, be it regarding having a very good life with your spouse, or be it regarding your business and business partners, then you need to have that commitment, the sense of duty and responsibility in your life. So here this Jupiter and Saturn, actually both they are trying to teach you that even if there will be ups and downs, even if there will be challenges, so many disputes in life, but still in order to get the help from luck and fortune, because Jupiter is also your ninth lord, the lord of luck and fortune. Okay, so if you want to have the good results from your luck and fortune, then you need to have lots and lots of commitment, duty and responsibility, and yes, you need to follow it. Even if the times are difficult, you need to follow it, and slowly and gradually you will see that as soon as Jupiter will come out of its debilitation, so it will give good results in terms of that marital matters. This Jupiter will be aspecting your first house, so definitely it will improve your personality, it will improve your character, your health will be improved, how people look at you, that will be improved. Jupiter will be aspecting your third house, so if you want to start something new, start some hobbies, or suppose if you are pursuing your hobbies, this Jupiter, the wisdom of Jupiter will help you a lot in this matter. Jupiter will also aspect your 11th house of gains, fulfillment of wishes. So, if you are doing hard work in your business, if you are doing hard work in your any kind of trade, or any kind of new hobbies or actions, or which were you want to undertake, then it can give you gains through all these things, because it will be aspecting the 11th house of gains, profits. Okay, if you are working in a large organizations, then this Jupiter will actually help you out in order to make lots and lots of wealth out of it. And suppose if you are working in a project with many in a group or in a team, then this Jupiter will also give you wisdom to how to work in a proper manner, so that ultimately it will give you success at the end of your work. So that's it for the Cancer ascendant people. For the Leo ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting in the direct motion in the sixth house. So here Jupiter is also your eighth lord coming into the sixth house, getting debilitated. Okay, so it is actually making the Viparit Raja Yoga basically. I mean, this is the first thing which I must say you. So with your hard work and commitment, if you follow it regularly with repeated hard work and commitment, you will see that the things are turning in on your side. The things will be falling on your side. It will be giving you more favorable results than before, which had been in the last few months. But now you will see that yes, with your hard work, because sixth house is also the house of hard work, and it is also the house of service, the job. Okay, so you will feel that at your job area or at your service area, if you take the proper responsibility, if you follow your proper duties with commitment and hard work, you will see that yes, you are going to get the proper results. You will also get the benefits from your authorities and superiors. Your relationship with your co-workers and the other people in and around your service sector has to be taken care of. Don't overdo anything, just do the things which are expected from out of you. Don't overdo anything. And yes, definitely here both Saturn and Jupiter are direct in their motion in the sixth house in the sign of Capricorn. So it will actually give you insights to work with proper wisdom. You need to follow the proper righteous path, because in the coming days to come it will also help you to win over your opponents. It will give you proper insights to get the success, because ultimately it is transiting along with Saturn. Health, you have to be very careful that you need to take proper care of your health, since Jupiter is a very essential planet transiting through the sixth house, getting debilitated. So health will be an issue. Take care of your health. Proper discipline has to be maintained regarding your health or any kind of work which you follow regarding during this time, I will say. Jupiter will be aspecting your 10th house of profession and career. So, with your hard work at your service area, it will give you good progress in your career and profession. It is for sure. Jupiter will also be aspecting your second house of wealth, your second house of investments, family values, speech. So, with repetitive hard work, you can add up new wealth, new investment ideas will come in front of you. So, you can work upon all those things. Your family bonding will be definitely be very good during this time, because it will be aspecting your second house. And yes, through your speech, through your way of speaking, you can actually make new bonding with your authorities, with your superiors. It will actually help you. Take care that you don't waste a lot of wealth, lot of money in some wasteful expenditure, because both Jupiter and Saturn will be aspecting the 12th house. So make sure that whenever you get some wealth, you need to work upon that how you can invest it, not to waste it here and there. Okay, just make sure regarding that. So that's it for the Leo ascendant people. For the Virgo ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting in your fifth house. Now, here Jupiter is getting direct. So, suppose if you are learning something, if you want to learn new sets of skills, new creative skills, or if you are learning how to
express yourself creatively in front of the whole world, then this combination of Jupiter and Saturn transiting in the direct motion in your fifth house will actually help you out to express yourself creatively in front of the whole world. Or suppose if you have some creative talents, if you have some kind of creativity within you, if you want to express or work upon those creativity, then this is a very good time to work upon on those things. Since it is debilitated, so initially you may feel that whatever creativity you had, or whatever work you are doing, you are not getting proper appreciation, you are not getting proper results out of it. But now this Jupiter is direct, so if you work upon it slowly and gradually, you will feel that yes, there is light at the end of the tunnel. So you will feel that yes, slowly and gradually with my hard work I am getting the appreciation, people are recognizing me, because this Jupiter and Saturn both will be aspecting the 11th house of gains, fulfillment of hopes and wishes. So how? Only through hard work and commitment. Don't give up, just follow your passion, just follow your creativity and express yourself more nicely, because now these both the planets are direct in your fifth house. Take care regarding any matter regarding your progeny, your children, because this Jupiter will be actually giving you insights to take proper care of your progeny and children, because it is transiting through the fifth house. Okay, so that matter also to be taken very carefully with proper discipline and commitment. Jupiter will be aspecting your Lagna. So, Jupiter will be giving you proper personality, proper health, and yes, your character, your personality will be much more better in front of the whole world. People will look at you as this person is very wise, okay, because of the aspect of Jupiter on the Lagna. Jupiter will also aspect the ninth house of luck and fortune. So definitely it will improve your luck and fortune. It will improve the results in such a way that whatever work you do through hard work and commitment, so you will feel that if you are very responsible and very committed in your work, slowly and gradually you will feel that yes, your luck and fortune is also supporting you. So if you are a student, it is a very good time to learn new things, to learn new set of ideas and knowledge. And yes, if you are also going for higher education, then that for that also it will give you very good results because of the aspect on the ninth house. So that's it for the Virgo ascendant people. For the Libra ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting through your fourth house in the direct motion. So, here, any matter regarding your home, any matter regarding your homely happiness, your peace of mind, or even your health of your mother, uh, some good changes will be there. Means your relationship with your mother will be much more better during this time. You will find that now you are getting the proper freedom and proper freeness in order to achieve the happiness, in order to establish the general happiness at your home. And definitely the homely environment will be much more better during this time. Initially, when it was retrograde, so many things were happening in and around your homely matters, in your domestic happiness is concerned. But now both Saturn, which is your fourth lord, and Jupiter is also getting direct. So it will bring proper results, good results, I will say, in terms of your homely matters. Since Jupiter is still debilitated in the fourth house, in your fourth house in the sign of Capricorn. So I will say that yes, the sense of responsibility, the sense of commitment has to be taken care of. Don't hurry regarding the things, because now you have worked upon so many things from the last few months in order to establish that domestic happiness. So now uh, till it enters the sign of Aquarius, means next month, so more 30 days you need to be much more committed, much more responsible and dutiful. Okay, regarding your homely matters and regarding your with anything related to your mother. Take care of the health of your mother, I will say. So that will give you more better results during this time. Fourth house is also the house of education. So suppose if you are a student, then it will also give you very good results, because it will actually help you to learn new things, new stuffs. Okay, it will actually help you to improve your concentration towards your studies. Both Jupiter and Saturn will be aspecting the 10th house. So any matter related to your career and profession will be much more better now, because the progression of Jupiter in the direct motion. So it will help you out in the career and profession and overall karma. Your relationship with your authorities and superiors will be much more better during this time, as compared to the previous days, because now it is direct. So you will feel that yes, you can focus more nicely in the work which you actually want to undertake. Jupiter will be aspecting your 8th house of spirituality and occult. So suppose if you want to learn some occult knowledge, or if you want to learn some secret knowledge or any kind of spiritual stuffs, it will actually help you, because it will actually also aspect the 12th house of spirituality. So suppose if you want to move to some faraway place, or suppose if you are at some faraway place, then you can actually establish connection with your home or domestic matters. Okay, even at staying at that faraway place, it will be actually help you out. Or suppose if you want to undertake the spiritual way of life, moving to some faraway place, you will also get connections. You will also get chances to have it. But now you will also make sure that you will do it only by maintaining a proper discipline, a proper domestic happiness at your homely home grounds, also at the homely matter also. Since 8th house is also the house of marital life, okay, the married life, so it will also help you establish a proper discipline in your married life. Also, your relationship with your in-laws will improve during this time. So that's it for the Libra ascendant people. For the Scorpio ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting in your third house, so and in the direct motion, so it will definitely improve your communication, your social expansion will be seen in a much better way now. Although it is debilitated, but still it is along with Saturn in the third house, so your communication will be definitely be improved. Your immediate environment, now that deals with your immediate family, your relatives, your neighborhood, your siblings, your friends. Your relationship with them will be much more improved because of the direct motion. So any kind of miscommunication will be taken care of now. Now the previous miscommunications which had, if had happened, so now those things will be much more better in your life. Third house is also the house of efforts, taking up new hobbies or following your creative talents. This Jupiter will actually give you proper results in terms of your hobbies, or taking up your new skills, or following up your new skills in new set of energy and actions. It will actually help you regarding those things. So suppose if you are a writer, suppose if you are a singer, or suppose even if you are a painter, whatever creative talents which you have, it will actually give you good results in terms of all those things. Only one thing you need to be careful, that Jupiter is transiting through the third house. Do not do any kind of do not take up any kind of project which you are not sure of, because since Jupiter is transiting through the third house, it can make you very overly patient, I will say, you overly patient, that you will think that yes, I can take up that thing. But if you are unable to complete those stuff or complete that project on time, then that can lead to some kind of problem. So only um take up those projects which you are sure of that yes I will be able to complete it on time, then only take it. Okay, that is the one thing which I will say you, since Jupiter is transiting through the third house. Jupiter will be aspecting the ninth house of luck and fortune. Your relationship with your father and guru will be improved. Your luck and fortune will support you during this time while you are working through your hobbies and your in your communication part also it will help you. Jupiter will be aspecting your seventh house of marriage, married life, spouse. So your bonding with your spouse will be much more better. Your relationship with your spouse will be much more better. Jupiter will also aspect the 11th house of gains, hope, fulfillment of hopes and wishes. So, through your hard work, through your efforts on your hobbies or on your talents, you will get gains and you will feel that yes, now my hopes and wishes are getting fulfilled, or I am getting insights that yes, these are the things which if I work upon, then I will get good results out of it. So, that's it for the Scorpio ascendant people. For the Sagittarius ascendant people, Jupiter is your Lagna Lord itself. It is your first Lord itself. It is also your fourth Lord. So, two important Lordship Jupiter is having for the Sagittarius ascendant people, and it is direct now in the second house. Although it is debilitated, but now it has got direct. So, now any kind of matter regarding your wealth, regarding your family, regarding your domestic peace, which were in some ups and downs, which were a bit disturbed in the past few months. Now I will say that slowly and gradually you will feel that light. You will feel very free that now you're you are getting proper wisdom and insights that how to establish a proper balance between your domestic happiness and the family matters. There need to be a proper balance. So with your hard work and commitment, now you will feel that yes, I am getting to make sure that yes, family happiness is also needed and my own domestic peace of mind is also needed. So both things will be in a proper track, although it will take some time now also because it is debilitated, but now you will get the proper results out of it, because from last few months now the things will be in a proper manner in your life. Any decision regarding your wealth and finance, if you want to take now, it will actually give you proper good results. If you make sure that I want to invest my wealth, I want to make sure that that these are the amount of money which I should not waste and I must save it, then this is a very good time to invest your money, to invest your wealth, other than making any kind of wasteful expenditure, because you will feel that now you should not waste your money. Your relationship with your family members will be much more improved during this time, during this direct motion of Jupiter, because very soon in next month Jupiter will come out of debilitation and it will enter the third house. So slowly and gradually you will see that the problems are getting solved. Okay. Jupiter and Saturn both will be aspecting the eighth house. So it will bring a balance between your materialistic life and the spiritual life. Jupiter will give very good results if you are also spiritually inclined. Any kind of spiritual knowledge which you want to take during this time will give you very good results, because it will be aspecting the eighth house. Your relationship with your spouse, your in-laws will be much more better. Any decision regarding marital life, because eighth house is also the house of marital life. Okay, the longevity of marriage will be much more better during this time. Jupiter will be aspecting your 10th house of career and profession. So, yes, it will be better regarding your career progression, regarding your profession. Since it is direct now, so now you will feel that yes, whatever work you are doing in your work arena, in your career, slowly and gradually you will find the proper results in your path in your life. So I will say during this time it will help you to clear off your debts. It will help you to get proper wisdom so that you can win over your opponents, okay, to make proper hard work, to make the justified hard work so that you can get good results in terms to get good name in front of your authorities, good name in front of your superiors, okay. So definitely these are the things which you need to take care of. And yes, since it is transiting through the second house, I will say take care of your health also. Why not take care of your health, because it is aspecting the sixth house and eighth house both. So take care of your health also. For the Capricorn ascendant people, Jupiter is direct in the first house itself. So definitely it will make you very wise. Your personality and character will improve in front of the whole world. People will know you for your sense of responsibility, for your sense of discipline and commitment. You had been doing this hard work and commitment and that responsible steps for past few months. So one more month to go when Jupiter will enter your second house and coming out of your debilitation. So continue that hard work, continue that sense of responsibilities, because new duties and set of responsibilities will knock your doors, it will come in front of you, and you need to take it in full spirit, in full vigor. You need to perform it with full hard work which you had been doing it. So don't procrastinate during this moment of time, because planets are direct now. Planets are ready to give good results out of their own significance. So this is the time, grab the opportunity completely. Why I am saying this? Because Jupiter will also aspect your ninth house of luck and fortune. So with your hard work, with your commitment, with your sense of responsibility, your luck and fortune will also support you. Your relationship with your gurus, with your father, with your elders will improve during this time. Your teachings of your father, teachings of your guru, if you follow during this time, then that will give you more better insights, more better results in the coming days to come. Jupiter will aspect, in fact Jupiter and Saturn both will aspect your seventh house of marriage. So any kind of matter regarding your marriage will be taken care of. And yes, definitely your responsibilities and duties towards your married life, towards your spouse will be improved. You have to take care regarding your health of your spouse. You have to take care regarding any kind of matter regarding your marital matter or business or trading. If you are up to it, then that thing will also be taken care of, and you need to follow up the duties and commitment towards the marriage, spouse, business, trading during this time, because new responsibilities will be coming in front of you. So be ready for it and take care of it so that it will give you good results in the coming days to come. If you are a student, if you are learning something, if you want to learn new things or creatively express yourself in front of the whole world, then this will be a very good time, because Jupiter will aspect your fifth house of progeny, fifth house of your creative talents, creative self expression. So it will be a very good time during this transit when Jupiter will be aspecting your fifth house. So any matter regarding your children, your progeny, or even if you are a children, if you are a student, learning new things, learning new skills, pursuing some higher education. So because of its aspect on fifth house and ninth house both, it will help you out to learn new stuffs, to learn new skills in the coming days to come. So that's it for the Capricorn ascendant people. For the Aquarius ascendant people, Jupiter will be transiting through your 12th house in the direct motion. So now this Jupiter and Saturn together, actually I will say, they both are direct, and Jupiter is in fact transiting in the sign of Capricorn along with Saturn in the 12th house. So it will actually give you a very nice spiritual way of life. Means working alone, working on your own, and working on the skill sets which you have, and actually that will give you very good results. Because now if you are working on your own at some faraway place or in solitude, means without getting into the outside world, then that can give you very good results. If you want to learn some spiritual learnings, some spiritual and religious learnings together, then this Jupiter will actually help you out. Since Jupiter is still debilitated, so any matter regarding your wealth has to be taken care of. Don't do any kind of wasteful expenditure, because Jupiter is also your second lord getting debilitated in the 12th house. So don't do any kind of wasteful expenditure, don't do any kind of unnecessary spendings. I will say you that there can be a chance that you can have wealth from foreign clients from foreign places, because second lord is coming into the 12th house. So there is a chance that you may have gains from foreign places also, because Jupiter is also your 11th lord. Although it is debilitated, but it is getting the cancellation of debilitation from Saturn. Now how it is working here? It is working through your hard work, through your commitment, because there are opportunities which will come in front of you, but you may feel that I need to work a lot in order to get the results from that opportunity. So I will say you that this is the time when you will feel that yes, I have worked on so many things, I have waited for so many days, so why not work on it and get the things done in my favor. So instead of wasting the wealth, it may happen that you may get new insights to add up the wealth. Okay, because it is the second and 11th lord both. So I will say you that working in isolation can actually help you to add up the wealth now. So just don't make any kind of wasteful expenditure. Jupiter will be aspecting your fourth house, so it will actually improve your family happiness, it will improve your family bonding, domestic happiness, I will say basically. Your peace of mind will be much more improved during this time. Your bonding with your mother will be much more better with you. Yes, take care regarding the health of your mother, because since Jupiter is transiting through the 12th house, take care regarding your own health also. Okay. Jupiter will be aspecting your 8th house of occult and spirituality. If you want to learn new things, if you want to learn some spiritual stuff, some occult knowledge, some secret knowledge, or even if you are into some kind of research, then this aspect of Jupiter will actually help you out in those aspect of your life. Your relationship with your in-laws will be better during this time, because Jupiter will be aspecting the 8th house. Any matter regarding your marriage will be taken care of very nicely during this time when Jupiter will be aspecting your 8th house. Okay, so that's it for the Aquarius ascendant people. For the Pisces ascendant people, Jupiter is very important planet, because Jupiter is your first lord, Jupiter is your 10th lord. It is turning direct in the 11th house of gains, fulfillment of hopes and wishes. Although it is debilitated, but now it has come out of retrogression. Now it is moving in the direct motion, moving ahead to make sure that whatever hard work, commitment and responsibilities you took in the last few months, now it is ready to give you the good results. Now it is saying that keep doing the hard work, and now I am coming forward, I am progressing, and I will give you the good results. Just be very much committed, just keep doing the hard work and be responsible in whatever work you are doing. So now in the past few months, you must have faced any kind of issues regarding your own personality, your own health, or at your profession or career. In the means anything related to career or profession, means you might have faced any kind of problems in the past few months. So now new opportunities can come in front of you, because it is now direct, so new things can happen. I will say you that keep doing the hard work, don't go for any kind of shortcut, because it may happen that taking the path of shortcut can give you initial success, but in order to have the success for longer amount of time, I will say you that just follow the hard work, just follow the committed way of life. Then you will see that this Jupiter will give you much more better results in terms of your own personality, in terms of your own health, in terms of your career and profession concerned. If you are working in a team, or if you are working in a group, since Jupiter is transiting through the 11th house, so it will give you good results in terms of that. If you are attached with any kind of big organizations, or any kind of organization which is very large, okay, so that can give you very good results during this time, but definitely they will expect lots and lots of hard work from you. You will feel that I need to put up so much efforts in order to get the simplest of the simplest getting the work done. So I will say you that yes, work will be getting done in your way, but yes, since it is debilitated, so some commitment is required, so as to get the work done more properly in your life. But very soon, next month, within a span of 30 days, this Jupiter will be turning into the sign of Aquarius. It will come out of debilitation. So I will say you that that time, when it is out of its debilitation, it will be giving you more better results in terms of your career, because it may happen that that time you may get some chance to move to some foreign place, or move to some faraway place in response to your job or career. Okay, so now you just need to do the hard work and reap the results in the coming days to come. Jupiter will be aspecting your fifth house, so keep doing your hard work with respect to your creative talents, on your creativity, because that will actually help you out to get gains through it in your life. Means however you want to express yourself creatively, that will actually help you out. Your relationship with your progeny, with your children, has to be taken care of. Take care regarding your education. If you are a student, then it will be aspecting your fifth house, so take care of your education also. Jupiter will be aspecting your seventh house of marriage, so it will give you good results with respect to your married life, with respect to your spouse, any kind of matter related to marriage or business or trading. Jupiter will be aspecting your third house of efforts, your hobbies, your communication. So suppose if you want to start some new kind of venture or new thing, if you want to start a new hobby, or suppose if you want to work upon your creative talents with respect to creative self-expression, with respect to fifth house and third house both, then it will give very good results with respect to that, because ultimately it is saying that work upon those things, and I am transiting through the 11th house of your horoscope, and with your hard work and with my wisdom, I will give you good results. So that's it for the Pisces ascendant people. I hope that you follow these things, and it will give you very good results in the coming days to come.
So that's it from my side. I hope that you have liked this video, and if you have really liked this video, then press the like button, and if you are new to this channel, again please subscribe to the channel, click onto the notification bell icon, so that every time I make a new video you get notified instantly. And your comments are always really very important to me. Do not forget to write down in the comment box down below. And anytime if you want a personalized consultation with me for any kind of transit or any kind of time periods on any aspect of your life, then check the links in the description section. Do join me in Instagram and Facebook accounts. You will find the links in the description section. You can directly email me for any kind of consultation. You will find the email ID down in the description section. So on this note, I will be signing off for today. Till then, when I come back with a new interesting video, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.